Cracked windowsills or frames can seriously mess with your home's look and even let in drafts, so fixing them quick is a must. Alright, so if you've got cracks in your windowsills or frames, first check how deep and wide those cracks are. If they're pretty small, you can grab some wood filler or epoxy putty from your local hardware store. It's super easy to use and dries hard. Just clean out any loose bits, sand the area smooth, then apply the filler with a putty knife, and once it's dry, sand it again to make it nice and even. If the damage is bigger, or the frame is rotting, you might want to replace that part instead of patching it up. This avoids future headaches with water damage or pests. When replacing parts, measure carefully to get the right size and use exterior-grade wood or composite materials that hold up against weather. After repairs, always paint or seal the area to protect it from moisture and sun damage. Keep in mind, regular maintenance like cleaning and checking for cracks helps catch problems early before they get worse. And if you're not feeling confident about doing this yourself, it's totally okay to call in a pro to make sure it's done right. One of the biggest mistakes with cracked windowsill or frame repairs is using the wrong filler or patching material. Some fillers aren't made for outdoor use and will break down fast. Fix that by choosing products specifically labeled for exterior repairs. Another common issue is ignoring the root cause, like water leaks or poor drainage around the window, which means your fixes won't last long. Make sure you check and fix any sources of moisture too. Lastly, many people skip sealing or painting after repairs, leaving the wood exposed to elements. Always finish with a good quality exterior paint or sealant to keep things protected. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who specialize in home repairs like windowsill and frame fixes. For contractors, it's a great way to find new clients and grow their business with real project leads in their area.